So you would have probably heard about the Big Bang Theory as the origin of the universe. But is the Big Bang Theory appropriate? Or are there any other theories which are better than the Big Bang Theory? And why did we rely upon the Big Bang Theory as the origin of the universe? Hey there, this is SHRUTI and today I'm here to talk about the origin of the universe. So basically, I'll talk about the Big Bang Theory and why was it adopted. Secondly, I'll talk about the Turok Theory. And thirdly, I'll talk about Stephen Hawking's shuttlecock theory. So, the Big Bang Theory was proposed by a Belgian scientist called George in the year 1931. According to the Big Bang Theory, the universe began from a single point-sized particle which collapsed under its own gravity, and then the explosion took place. And the explosion took place with such an energy that the universe was created. But the single point-sized particle would have been somewhere. If that particle was not a part of our universe, then what universe was it a part of? Or was it simply sitting in space? And if it was sitting in space, or if it was set in space, then where did that space belong to? So, Big Bang Theory is not very reliable. And that's why Big Bang Theory Experiment 2 is going to take place in the year 2024 by NASA. There are many other theories other than the Big Bang Theory which are more reliable than it, and because Big Bang Theory is leaving the chances of a creator, of a God being there, that's why it was adopted. At that time, in the year 1931 or around that time, the Catholic Church was very much dominant over science. That's why Galileo Galilei faced some problems. Among all the other theories, this theory left the chance of God being there. That's why the Big Bang Theory was accepted at that time and all the other theories were denied. Stephen Hawking's shuttlecock theory. It was not solely given by Stephen Hawking. Hartle also helped Stephen Hawking in writing this theory. Stephen Hawking leaves the chance of a creator being there in this theory. But it is very much different from the Big Bang Theory. According to the Big Bang Theory, the universe is like a balloon which is presently expanding, but someday it will start to contract. But according to the Stephen Hawking shuttlecock theory, the universe began from a single point-sized particle. Stephen Hawking agrees with it. Mathematics also agrees with it. And then that single point-sized particle expands in the form of shuttlecock, which is never ending. So the universe is always going to expand. Stephen Hawking's shuttlecock theory is more popularly known as the wave function theory because it says that the universe will expand in the form of a wave in the shape of a shuttlecock. So you would have probably seen a shuttlecock. So that single point-sized particle expands in the form of a shuttlecock and it is always going to expand. There is no contraction. There won't be any contraction. So the Turok theory is slightly complicated, but I'll try to keep it in as simple words as possible. So consider this as a shield of matter. You are made up of matter, our solar system is made up of matter, and our universe is made up of matter. But you know that antimatter also exists. So consider this to be a shield of antimatter. So according to the Turok theory, the bang which took place was not the Big Bang. So there was no point-sized particle and no point-sized particle collapsed under its own gravity, but these two, matter and antimatter, came near each other, and because they repel each other, of course, matter and antimatter repel each other, they came near each other, and then after that a bang took place which led to the origin of our universe. According to the Turok theory, there was one universe made up of matter which already existed, and there was another universe made up of antimatter, and the bang was nothing but the collision of both these worlds or both these universes of matter and antimatter. So mathematically the Turok theory is very, very complicated. I tried to put it in as simple words as possible to just give you a gist of it. So this is all about it. This is all about this video. If you've got any questions that you can ask, then you can ask me in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video. Do subscribe to the channel. See you later. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.